Display size. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 6.8 inches. Huawei P70 Pro is 6.8 inches. Display resolution. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 1440 x 3120 pixels, with 505 ppi density. Huawei P70 Pro is 1260 x 2844 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Display type. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X. Huawei P70 Pro is LTPO OLED. Display protector. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Armor. Huawei P70 Pro is Kunlun Blast 2. Operating system. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Huawei P70 Pro is EMUI 14.2, International. Chipset. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Huawei P70 Pro is Kirin 9010. Processor. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is octa-core processor. Huawei P70 Pro is octa-core processor. GPU. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Adreno 750. Huawei P70 Pro is Maloon 910. RAM. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 12 GB. Huawei P70 Pro is 12 GB. ROM. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Huawei P70 Pro is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Front camera. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 12MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Huawei P70 Pro is 13MP wide-angle camera, with HDR video recordings. Back camera. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 200MP wide, 10MP telephoto, 50MP periscope telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Huawei P70 Pro is 50MP wide, 48MP telephoto, and 12.5MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Huawei P70 Pro is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watt fast charging. Huawei P70 Pro is 5050 mAh battery, with 100 watt fast charging. Spec winner.